Hey everyone, how you doing? This is a Timothy's Powwow. Today's topic, Memorial Day isn't for fireworks. I think there is a lot of people out in this world today that think that Memorial Day is for fireworks. They light them off, they go kaboom. It's like, don't they know what Memorial Day is about? Probably not. I think people need to educate them on knowing what Memorial Day is really about. It's remembering your proud men and women that fought for this country and for us to have a Memorial Day. That's what they need to do instead of going out buying fireworks and shooting them off and having a good old time. That's not for Memorial Day. Fireworks is for another day called 4th of July. I don't know why people do that. Light off fireworks around Memorial Day. It just drives me bananas. Drives me bananas to hear them lighting off fireworks around Memorial Day. When Memorial Day isn't for fireworks. Fireworks are set for one day out of the year, and that's for the 4th of July. Yeah, the 4th of July. I just wish people would wake up and recognize that. I'm sure a lot of you get fed up on when people do things like that, set off fireworks when it's not the 4th of July. I know there is laws that, you can't be lighting off fireworks and everything. I tell you, people need to know what holidays they are really in. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I just wanted to do this powwow on what Memorial Day is about. It isn't about fireworks, people. No, it's not about fireworks. It's about remembering the proud men and women that fought for me and you out there to enjoy holidays like this. That's what it's about. Not going out buying fireworks and lighting them off, going boom, 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 boom. That's for another holiday. That's for another. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please let me know. And hope you enjoyed it. And kind of let people know that, Memorial Day is to remember our proud men and women that served and fought for us so we can have a Memorial Day. And that, fireworks are meant for the 4th of July, not Memorial Day. Let them know. Let them know. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. And thanks for watching this Timothy's Powwow.